Hello and welcome, I'm Miriam Larici.
I'm Leonardo Barrionuevo.
In this video, we'll show you the technique of one of the most useful moves in Argentine tango.
The cross, or in Spanish, la cruzada.
Before we start with the lesson, if you are new to the channel, we would like to invite you to subscribe to it.
And please activate the bell notification so you never miss new content. Now, let's jump into the dance floor.
Muy bien. To work on the cross, we are going to send the leg to the front, left leg in this case, and I will cross the left in front of the right. Switch right away to the front leg, and extend the right leg to the back. Let me show you this in detail. So we go front, left leg crosses. Please notice the heels are facing to the same angle in the back. They are parallel feet. From here, the toes are reaching the floor. Now I'll do ball of the foot. And when I lower the front leg, I'm extending the back leg to the back, replacing with the front leg. So I will do it one more time from this angle. Just the left leg goes to the cross. Pay attention on this moment. I'm not transferring weight yet. This is the point, toes, going to the ball of your foot. And then transfer from the back leg to the front, extending in this case the right leg to the back. Now let me do it from a prior step. So I will go back with the right, going up, lifting to go to the cross. Don't transfer weight yet, feel this moment. Left leg is touching the floor with the toes. From here I go down to ball of the foot and I start pivoting the front leg. I will pivot the front leg, pivot, 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 before getting down to the heel and extending the right leg back. Okay, follow me. We'll do this exercise so you can feel the cruzada, the cross. I'm sending the right leg back, extended, go up to cross the left leg in front. Then I lower, body weight change, on the left leg, pivoting a little bit and sending the right leg back. Let's try this one more time. So I go front, cross, and slowly going down to extend the right leg to the back. Okay, follow me. I will do this a little faster so you can feel the real timing. Sending the right leg up, cross, down, pivot. Again, up, cross, down, and pivot. From the other angle, back with the right, up, cross, down, pivoting. Again, up, cross the left, down, pivoting and sending the right leg. Thanks for watching the video.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel down below.